Hello, traders. Let's take a look at the featured stock from yesterday and then let's find a new one. My goal is to set you up with some great trades, and I hope that you'll return the favor by subscribing to my channel and by posting your comments. You don't want to miss these trades, so make sure to turn on your notifications. Let's get started. Hello, traders. We're almost 2 hours into trading. It is Tuesday, March 16th. Let's see what the market's doing. Let's take a look at yesterday's pick. You know, that's how I like to start the day. All the airlines were doing really well yesterday. I suggested selling an out of the money bullish put spread on the likes of United Airlines. Use this breakout right here as your short strike price. UAL looked good. DAL looked good. You can see it's pulling back a little bit. We want it to stay close to this breakout right in here. JetBlue looked good. They are going to be getting some bailout money. Air traffic is up. So right now, the market is flat, but we are seeing rotation out of cyclical stocks like airlines and into tech stocks. So if we take a look at what the S&P 500 is doing, there's the SPY. Here's the QQQ. You can see, look at that movement upward in QQQ. So right now, you need to focus on tech stocks. I think we're going to see a little bit of a rebound. Take a quick look at TLT. That's the U.S. 10-year Treasury. You can see how it's down a little bit right now, but it has been forming support over the course of the last couple of days. It is not leaking oil like it was. So this may continue to hold at this price level until the FOMC meeting tomorrow. We've got the statement coming out midday. Typically, you get a little bit of price action Tuesday morning, but then things really settle into a fairly tight trading range the rest of Tuesday and Wednesday up until that FOMC statement. I believe that the Fed is going to reiterate that they are going to keep loose monetary policies in place until the labor market improves substantially. And I think that that is going to ease the selling pressure on bonds, and it is going to be good for tech stocks. I'm going to take off my bullish explosions right now. What the heck? We'll take a look at this one. That's actually very nice. You can see breakout through horizontal resistance, long candle closing on its high almost. Another long candle today. Big volume. Let's go to the 5-minute chart. Oh yeah, that looks nice. There's your volume getting through the high from the prior day. This would be your entry point right here. Use that as your stop at 45.80. That's how I would play it. Get these explosion alerts pretty frequently during the course of the day. They are incredibly strong. So we're looking for volume spikes in the last 5 minutes, and we compare that to the average 20-day volume for that exact 5-minute period for every stock. That's how we find them in Option Stalker. Anyway, let's go to the market and finish our market discussion here. I believe that we're going to see sideways price action today. S&P 500, Ruby was huge. I've got to look at this one because yesterday we made a killing on this one. It came out right in here. Now the explosion alerts only start after 30 minutes because otherwise we'd be inundated with them. But man, oh man, was that nice. From about $26, it went all the way up to $36. Just incredible. Now, I don't hold on to this for the full ride. If I'm in there and I make a couple of bucks on something like this in 5 minutes, thank you very much. I'm out and I'm done. But you can see that we've got nice follow through today. Very good volume. Trying to get through the high from the prior day. Look at that daily chart. Oh, yeah. Skyrocket. Off to the races. That's how these bullish explosion alerts work. And if I get another one, I'm turning them all off because I don't want to keep getting interrupted here. We'll take a look at the 5-minute chart of the S&P. Tight compression. You can see yesterday, here was the tell for me. I am actually quite bullish on the market right now. I wanted to make sure that we were able to hold the gains after the stimulus bill was passed. It could have been a sell the news event. So let's see if that excitement is still there. Yesterday, the market opens, it kind of chops around, lots of mixed candles. This is where I did the video yesterday, about 2 hours into trading, and I believe we had bounced a little bit. You can see that was a nice bearish cross right in there. Told us to not be long, to watch the short side. Get that sell off right there. Beautiful 10P cross right there, my indicator. This is the tell right here. This nice steady price action right here. Look at how tight that pattern is. And we almost challenge the high of the day, and there we take it out with ease. Green candles stacked one on top of each other, get a little bit of a pullback, and then look at these candles into the close. That is a sign of strong buying. Market made a new all-time closing high yesterday. Today, we are pausing, but the market has been able to hold these gains. It's been able to hold the gains all the way from the low yesterday. So this is impressive to me. I believe that we are going to see a sideways market, but I believe that this breakout is going to have legs, and it could be that FOMC statement tomorrow that fuels the rally. There's your breakout right there. I think we continue to grind higher. So we want to be bullish. Where do we look for stocks right now? I showed you the airlines yesterday selling out of the money bullish put spreads. Pete, if you're so doggone bullish on airlines, why aren't you just out there buying calls? Couple of reasons. One is the market is just floating higher. Tick, tick, tick. No explosive moves, so that means that I don't have much of a strong tailwind right now. When I buy calls on any stock, I need to have a strong tailwind because I'm fighting time premium decay every single day. So that's one reason that I don't want to be long calls. The other is that these airline stocks have had a nice move. I believe that they're going to continue to grind higher. I want to provide myself with some cushion. That's why I'm selling these put spreads out of the money so that if there is sector rotation out of these stocks, if the stock pulls back slightly, I've got plenty of breathing room in the trade. It just has to maintain the breakout for the next few weeks, and I'll make my money, and I'll be very happy with that percentage return. That's why I still favor selling out of the money bullish put spreads. I'm only going to go to one search, heavy buying. This is one that I use all the time, and I'm going to just click through the daily charts. Love it. Downward sloping trend line, breach to the upside, bounces off the 100-day moving average, long candles closing on their high. Excellent momentum. Definitely a stock to look at today. MRNA. Choppy, choppy. Don't care about that one. This one, downward sloping trend line, breach to the upside, bounces off the 100-day. Nice momentum. Yeah. NVAX looks pretty dang good. PDD, similar pattern, bouncing off support. Downward sloping trend line, breach to the upside. Facebook, too choppy for me. Don't like it, but it is above the 100-day. All the big boys are getting a nice bid today. AMAT, you know I love AMAT. Been trying to sell an out of the money bullish put spread below this support line right here. It's going. All of the semiconductors today are strong. Put MU in that class also. Downward sloping trend line, bullish flag formation, breaking out. Going to try and get through the high of the day. I like MU. CCIV, speculative play, but nice price action right here. You can see how it's starting to gain momentum with those gaps higher. SBUX, love it. Really nice horizontal breakout. This is a decent one. This one you could sell an out of the money bullish put spread keying off that 107.50 level right there. I like it. All right, now I am definitely going to close my bullish explosion alerts. This is actually nice when you get one like this because it is likely to fill this gap in. So what do I do with that? I click on alert. I'm going to click on the high of the day. If it can take out the high of the day, I'm going to know about it. Otherwise, we're going to keep on moving here. RAD, downward sloping trend line, really nice. Long green candles closing on their high. Lots of great momentum. Would I chase it here? No. I like to catch it right in here, which we have been in the chat room. Now it's starting to get a little extended, and if I were swinging it, I would want to be taking profits. INTC, love it. This could be the trade of the day. In fact, it is the trade of the day. It has fairly reasonable option applied volatilities. I love the breakout through horizontal resistance. You can see how it's near its high of the day. I would buy an in the money call option, probably going down to the $60 strike price just so that I can get an option that has a very, very high delta of zero point 0.7 or higher. Give yourself time, go 4 or 5 weeks out. You can even go 2 months out on this. Look for a gradual grind higher. I like the breakout. I told you I don't like to buy calls. This might be the exception because Intel typically has very low option implied volatilities because it doesn't move a lot. You obviously could also sell an out of the money bullish put spread, draw your upward sloping trend line, comes into place somewhere around that 62.50 level. That would work. Sell a 62.50 put, buy the 60 put, do that for a 50-cent credit. That's your trade of the day. Take a quick look at a couple of others here, see what else we got going. That's nice. Look at how easy it is to spot these. Downward sloping trend line, breakout above the 100-day moving average. I like this stock here, GNOG. That's how we do it. Take a look at some of these picks. These all seem to have really nice momentum. Look at that. Look for that rotation into the tech sector and out of some of the cyclicals. Look for the market to continue to float higher. Watch that FOMC statement tomorrow. It's going to be a big one. We're looking for no hints of tightening. We want fist pounding on the table saying, read my lips, we are not raising rates anytime soon. We need that job market to recover. See you tomorrow. Thank you for watching this YouTube video. I'm Pete Stolzers, and I'm going to keep the trade ideas coming along with lots of education, so make sure to subscribe to the channel and please turn on your notifications so that you never miss another trade. If you like the content, please give it a thumbs up. I've loaded 2 other videos that I think you're really going to enjoy. Stay tuned. We'll see you soon.